Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to post stories on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your any TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. To post a story, tap the plus sign at the bottom, or tap the plus sign from the top to open the TikTok camera. You can capture a new photo or video, or you can upload any photo or video from your gallery. From here you can select either photos or videos. Now choose the photo you want to post on your story. You can choose more than one photo if you want. Then tap on Next from the bottom. You can add text, stickers, effects, and filters you normally use when recording TikTok videos. You can also add music or other sounds from here. Scroll down and choose any music or sound from the library. If you want to share it as a normal TikTok video, tap Next to go to the standard post screen. And to share this as your story, tap on Post to Story. That's it. Your story has been uploaded. Check this out. Stories will appear in your followers' feeds the same way your TikTok videos do. People can like and comment on them as well. Stories will automatically disappear 24 hours after posting. To get more options, tap on your story and tap the three dots below the comments icon. From here you can save the story as video, change privacy settings, and also delete your story. So in this way, you can post stories on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.